Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to download UTAU or UTAU or whatever, how we like to say it. Personally, I like to call it Miku Free. So first what you want to do to download it is go on this website, which is UTAU 2008, that Japanese stuff, and download this one if you're English. If not, and you understand Japanese, download the regular one because they're Naruto actually. Click that. And by the way, I suggest getting WinRAR or 7-Zip. I suggest 7-Zip since it's already free, so you won't feel bad for downloading a free version of a thing that's already free. So depending on your computer, it can take pretty long. The comedy. Anyway, now that your thing has cleared, you can now do things. And you get IXE. For some reason, it does not like to show. So, yeah, this is what it'll look like. You click it, and it'll do some Japanese high-tech things. Okay, so you click this for next, and you put that. That means English or something. But just put Ani. And then, yeah. But I don't need that because I already have it. Because I'm the OG. Okay, now that it has opened, it won't look like this because I have themes on and I want to be a Vocaloid, but it will have this little boy. Her name is Defoco or Default or Miku 1.9 as I would like to call her. But I'm wrong, it's actually Miku 1.2, I'm sorry. So, this is what she sounds like. A lot of people will call her a bitch because she's really hard to use, but she isn't that difficult. It's just she's very not good sounding. Let's put this. This is why no one likes you, because you don't make anything. I'm joking. It's actually because she doesn't know how to speak English words. So you go plugins and you go to this one. And there you go. But if you're a pleb and don't have plugins, then you change your region or the keyboard to Japanese and write that down. So. She doesn't sound great at all. She sounds awful. But I know a hack. A very good hack. This is my hack. If I'm wondering, Gab, this is the same bitch. Well, as you can see, it's not. She's much jazzier now. And not only that, but she's also... Please. VCV! As you can see through my great hacking skills, she is now a good UTAU. But bam, I'm back. You're probably wondering, who is this skank? Her name is Bread, and she's pretty alright. Listen to her great sample. Yeah. See? She's a fucking cat. Let's make her sing this. That was a trick question. She can't sing English. That sounded okay, but not good enough. Let's make her into VCV, since she can also sing that too. Oh, and also, I suggest clicking region property and like clearing this out with space. And there you go. That's one sexy UST. Now that is cool. Okay, so how do you get this bitch, you ask? Well, you download her. It literally says it right here. Are you fucking blind? You just go to this, ignore Miku dabbing. She's not important. And you go to the sonetero.jpg. And you go to one of the two sites. I mean, choose what hellhole you want to go to. So we can go here, or we can go here. One has more variety than the other, and one has prettier pictures of Teto. So, though this, I think this is an automatic one because she has tits here, and as you can see here, she's actually just a male. You go to voice data, right? Yeah. And this means download in Naruto. So this is her CVVC. For her English kind of sucks. I'm not going to lie. So this is a plugin. Wait, yeah, this is a plugin. You literally need to use your voice bank. They didn't just let's make a regular CVVC. No, 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 no. Let's make a whole different one, a new one, just for bread. And this is that, and this is also that. And I don't know which version, but you can download any one except for English. I'm not gonna lie, that shit's fucking horrible. But you can download these two. And if you're on this horrible site, you could go to voice, download, yeah. So, and then you can also download some of her stuff. Like you could download her gender bend or a logo to create your own Photoshop site. So let's download this one, even though I have like 19 voice banks of hers. Now, like all bitches, she takes a long time to download, so I'll be right back. Sexy. Don't, no, 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 no. Now that it has completed, I guess you should open it. Well, actually, there's two ways to install her. So you can either open where UTAU is and do things and learn a voice, or you can do it the real way, like everyone else does. You can do this, and you can press OK. But I already have her installed because I'm a legend. I'm a queen. Now you probably heard all the rumors that you could make your own voice bank. Well, that rumor it turned out to be true in 2009, when you could now make your own voice banks. Specifically, only one I made, and she's fucking trash. Her name's Akemi, and she's a fucking bitch. Who is that? Yeah, she fucking sucks, but yeah, I mean, you can make either good UTAUs or just Vocaloid OCs. Those are the two you can make. This one, known as Akarui Hikari, made by Kira, yes, Light Yagami himself. And she sounds fucking lit. Yeah, see, that's what I want. That's what I want. Pure 2013 aesthetic with that chipmunk vibe. And there's another one that's really low quality though. This is awful. Like, look at it. It's bad. And look. Like, this sounds awful. Like, if you want to make quality voice banks, download this one to see how bad this is, just to take into account all the shit you should avoid. Okay, so I'm going to use this as an example. This OC is by Akem. Not Akemi Morales, she sucks, but, like, an actual person, right? Oh, fuck. So this is an actual good voice bank. You'll see, I mean, oh, and now watch it get ruined. Watch this great tuning get ruined by a horrible voice bank. Just awful, honestly. But if you listen to Hikari, you get a whole different thing. Like, she sounds great. Yeah, that's cool. See, she's the greatest. So now you want to make your own voice bank, huh? You little bitch. Well, I'm going to show you how to do that. So what you need is to make a new folder. Preferably named the UTAU that you're, yeah. That's my UTAU's name, everyone. Don't write it out. And before you start making the clack in your fucking voice bank, you gotta make some new shit. So you need two texts. One called character and the other one called readme. Gotta open that up and be like, hey dog. And also character. Okay, so this is actually important. Name. You put the equal sign, no more, no less, and put that author. And then that's it. And you save it and call it a day. So now you gotta make some WAVs. So you gotta go to your shit and go to Audacity because that's important. Audacity's free. You can get it from all the black markets around. So you click this and then you'd be like, scream! And then that's one. See, that sounds fucking great. Make sure it's on 16-bit. If it's on anything else, it won't actually work. So there you go. Now, no, fuck you. So now you go to this and you go to Tools, Option, Bank Register, and you select it. And you go right here. And you click OK. It might take like 9 years, but it's fine. Yep, look at that. It's fine. Everything is okay. Now I go here and look. It's Teddy Nipple. Hello. See, look. Hey, dog. There you go. And you're probably wondering about. You're probably asking, hey, I want an image for my boy. Okay, fair enough. So what you do is you go you go in MS Paint and oh look at that, it's Titty Nipple. Hello. And you just do things. You either save that whole image or you just take a snippet of it. And you save it as either actually no, you should save it as a BMP for reasons. But save it as a JPEG for now. Whoop. And now you edit it with Paint. What the fuck's a Paint 3D? Okay, so now I click on this to resize it to 100 pixels. Why? Because I want her as small as fuck. And you save it as a BMP. So now you go to character and you go to image and you go to .bmp and you save that because you're a good boy. Yeah, and you save it because you're a good boy. And now you gotta reload it again. There you go. Beautiful. Hello, Titty Nipple. As you can see, that sounded brilliant. And that's how you make UTAU. So I tell you all the things about UTAU. How to download it, how to open it, how to use it, how to fucking make a voice bank, how to download one. So you better get me some chicken nuggets, because I deserve it for that hard work, you motherfucker.